Hello students, welcome to channel Maths Meant by Kamlesh. It is Introduction Part 1, Chapter 6 NCERT, Chapter Linear Equation, Class 11 Maths for Exercise 6.1. In another part of Introduction Part 2, we shall do for Exercise 6.2 and 6.3. Right? Here the name of chapter is Linear Inequalities. So first of all, we think that linear equations linear equation. We are aware of this term linear equation because linear equation is an example. As example, we can write it as 7x plus 4 equal to 19. It is linear equation. Linear because its power is 1 of variables, and equation is because LHS equal to RHS. Right? But suppose if this sign of equal is changed to unequal signs, then it will be inequalities. Like this will be changed to, it will not be equal to LHS and RHS. Why? Because changed to sign of inequalities. What is that? That is a smaller than, greater than, a smaller than or equal to, greater than or equal to. These are the sign of inequalities, because by putting these signs at the place of equal, this side will not be equal to this side, so it will be called inequalities. Right? So linear inequalities can be written in different forms using these signs. So 7x plus 4 is smaller than 19. 7x plus 4 is greater than 19. Again 7x plus 4 is smaller or equal to 19. 7x plus 4 greater than or equal to 19. In these four types of inequalities, we find that in these two only one condition is there. So it is called strict inequalities. It is called strict inequalities because only one condition is there. Only one condition. Right? Here two conditions are there. This part LHS will be smaller than 19 or will be equal to 19. Here LHS will be greater than 19 or equal to 19. So two conditions are given. So this is called slack inequalities. Slack inequalities. Two conditions are there. Right, up to here it is very clear. Now rules. What are the different rules to solve the questions of inequalities? So the rules are here. Rules of inequalities. These rules, if we follow, we can solve the question very easily. First of all, the sign of equalities will change or sign of equality will not change. These are two basic things. So first of all, sign of inequalities. Sign of inequalities are these things. Sign of inequalities will not change if first condition, if both sides, this side and this side, both sides are added, subtracted from, or multiplied and divided by same number. If same number will add, subtract, multiply or divide in both parts, the sign of inequalities will not change. Suppose, so see here 12 greater than 4 added to both sides, so it will be 14 and it will be 6. So 14 is greater than 6, so we shall put the sign, so sign remains same. 12 greater than 4 minus 2, so it will be 10 and it will be 2, and 10 is greater than 2, so sign remains same. Again 12 greater than 4 multiplied by 2 both sides, it will be 24, it will be 8, so 24 greater than 8, sign of inequalities remains same. Now 12 greater than 4 is divided by 2, so it will be 6, this side, this shall be 2, and again sign will this. So the sign has not changed. So this is the first rule. Second rule, the sign of inequalities will change if both sides multiplied, divided by a number with negative sign. If both sides is multiplied or divided by a negative sign, then the sign of inequalities will change. Like example, 12 greater than 4 multiplied both sides by minus 2, so it became minus 24 and it became minus 8. Now we see that minus 8 is greater than minus 24. Lesser the number of minus is greater in value, right? So this will be like this. So 24 is smaller than minus 8. Minus 24 is smaller than 8. So sign has been reversed, right? Second, 12 greater than 4 divided by minus 2, then it will be minus 6 and it will be minus 2. Here again minus 2 is greater than minus 6, so sign will be here minus 6 is smaller than minus 2, so sign has been reversed. Okay. Here second rule of changing the sign of inequalities is if negative sign removed from both sides. Negative sign is removed from both sides. So like minus 12 is smaller than minus 4, remove negative sign. So it will be 12 and it will be 4. Now 12 is greater than 4. So sign has been reversed. Okay. Third point is if reciprocal of both sides are taken, then sign of inequalities change. Suppose 12 is greater than 4, reciprocal, it will be 1 by 12 and it will be 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 is greater than 1 by 12. It is larger part, it is a smaller part. So it will be like this. So this sign has been changed. This is the introduction of this chapter for exercise 6.1. I hope you like, share and subscribe this channel. Thanks.